Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and today, remember the last video, I can't really, but remember guys, we built our own scooper, and we destroyed the animatronics. So, not all the animatronics, just Bonnie, because, Chica already got destroyed while I was trying to carry her. Alright, so now we're gonna go back into the pizzeria and get Freddy back because he needs some repairing. Right. Let's get back into the pizzeria. Guys, this place is haunted. You know what? I don't think I'm staying in here. Alright, guys. Here we go. I'm gonna have to get Freddy out here. Alright guys, let's get him in here. Okay. Okay guys. So now we have to get Freddy torso and legs. Alright. Freddy. I hope he doesn't malfunction again. Hi Freddy, are you okay? Will you do it again? Ah! Did you see that, guys? That hurt so bad. That hurt. Oh, Freddy. Oh, I have to get this one repaired. Guys, here you go. Guys, let's see. Hey guys. You see what I got in my hand right now? That's right, Max. I'm gonna get Freddy. Are you gonna get me or? He just bit me and tried to put the axe in me. Oh, actually he did. Okay, that's enough, Freddy. Okay, that's it. Yeah, you know, I'm not gonna do that yet. He just got damaged a little. Take a pickaxe. I'm gonna try to repair him, and if he still doesn't, then I'm gonna have to get rid of him. Okay. He's not doing it. Guys, he's not doing it. I think we repaired him. Yes. Let me get him up. Alright. I think that worked. We did it, guys. I think we actually saved Freddy. Let's see. Look. Get him here again. Alright, guys, let's see. Ah! Alright, he did it again. He did it again. Sorry, Freddy, I'm gonna have to do this. But, that felt good. Oh, wait a second. Purple guy? Hey, purple guy, I accidentally, actually, no, it wasn't, not accidentally at all. Actually, I destroyed Freddy because he kept biting me. Is that okay? Actually, yeah, that's fine, because I was gonna do that anyways. And then destroy you. What, destroy me? What do you mean destroy me? I'm not gonna do it anymore, because you did it for me. Okay, good. Okay, bye. Bye. Alright, guys. This is a moment of truth. Broke a hole in it. Why does it always rain when I just look in it? Alright, guys. Well, we destroyed Freddy. And now I have to get Freddy out again. You know why? Because, watch. Alright, guys. I'm going in. Zzz.